Hey there, Space Cadets! Are you ready for an adventure that's out of this world? Get ready to blast off on an awesome adventure through our solar system. We're going to explore the wonders of space like never before. We'll be zipping past planets big and small, from the closest to the sun to the furthest reaches of our solar system. The solar system is a big family of the sun, planets, moons, and other space objects like asteroids and comets. Everything moves around the sun, which is at the center. It's like our home in space. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Listed in order from the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Pluto was previously classified as the 9th planet but was redefined as a dwarf. So put on your imaginary helmets, hop aboard our pretend rocket, and let's explore the wonders of space together. It's going to be an unforgettable journey. Are you excited? I know I am. There's so much to see and discover, and I can't wait to get started. Every stop on our journey is going to be unique and amazing. We'll explore, we'll learn, and we'll have tons of fun along the way. Get ready for some serious fun as we learn all about the amazing place we call our solar system. Next stop, the sun. Let's go. First up, the star of our show, the sun. It's the center of our solar system and the reason why we have life on Earth. And boy is it hot. The sun's surface is super duper hot, reaching a scorching 5,500 degrees Celsius. The sun is like a giant ball of fire, constantly burning and giving off energy. It's so big that you could fit over 1 million Earths inside of it. Just imagine that. The sun is super important because it gives us light and warmth. Without it, there would be no life on Earth. Without the sun, Earth would be a dark and freezing cold place. Plants wouldn't grow, and we wouldn't have any food or warmth. So, let's give a big thank you to the sun for making our planet so warm and bright. It truly is a life giver. Now that we're all warmed up, let's zoom over to the closest planet to the sun, Mercury. It's a fascinating place to explore. Hold on to your helmets, space explorers, because Mercury is the fastest planet in our solar system. It zips around the sun like a race car, which is why it's named after the Roman messenger god, who was also super speedy. Because Mercury is so close to the sun, it gets extremely hot during the day and extremely cold at night. Talk about extreme temperatures. Let's try a Mercury move. First, shiver your body like you're freezing cold, then fan yourself like it's the hottest day ever. Even though Mercury is the smallest planet, it's still pretty cool. Let's blast off to our next destination, Venus. Get ready for some serious heat because Venus is even hotter than Mercury. It's like a giant oven over there. Venus is covered in thick, swirling clouds that trap the heat from the sun. Let's do a Venus gesture. Raise your arms up and spin around like you're caught in a cloud vortex. Even though Venus is named after the Roman goddess of beauty, it's not a very welcoming place to visit. But hey, at least we learned about it. Now let's head over to a very special planet, our home, Earth. Earth, our beloved home. There it is, space explorers, our amazing planet Earth. From space, Earth looks like a beautiful blue marble with swirling white clouds. That's because it's covered in lots of water and has an atmosphere that protects us. Let's give Earth a big hug. Wrap your arms around yourselves and squeeze tight. Earth is the only planet we know of that has life, and that's what makes it so special. We need to take care of our planet. Now that we've visited our home, let's head over to the planet that's often called Earth's neighbor, Mars. Touching down on Mars, the red planet. Get ready for an exciting trip to our neighboring planet. Get your rovers ready because we're landing on Mars, the red planet. This is where our adventure really takes off. Mars gets its nickname from the reddish color of its rocks and soil. This unique hue is due to iron oxide, or rust, which is present on its surface. It's like a giant playground covered in red dust. Imagine playing in a sandbox that stretches as far as the eye can see. Let's do a Mars move. Jump up and down like you're bouncing on Mars's surface with its lower gravity. On Mars, the gravity is only about 38% of Earth's, making you feel much lighter. We could jump so high on Mars. Imagine being able to leap 3 times higher than you can on Earth. Scientists believe that a long time ago, Mars may have had water and even life. Evidence suggests that ancient rivers, lakes, and maybe even oceans once existed. Maybe someday astronauts will explore Mars and find out for sure. They might uncover secrets that change our understanding of the universe. Now buckle up, explorers, because we're heading to the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter. The journey continues with even more wonders to discover. Jupiter, the giant of our solar system. Prepare to be amazed because Jupiter is truly a giant. It's so massive that you could fit all the other planets inside of it and still have room to spare. Talk about a whopper. Let's do a Jupiter gesture. Stretch your arms out as wide as you can to show how big Jupiter is. That's one huge planet. Jupiter is a gas giant, which means it's mostly made up of swirling gases. It's also known for its Great Red Spot, which is a giant storm that's been raging for hundreds of years. Our next stop is a planet known for its beautiful rings, Saturn. Saturn, the ringleader. Get ready for some bling because Saturn is famous for its stunning rings. These rings are made up of ice and rock, and they're so big and bright that you can even see them from Earth with a telescope. Let's do a Saturn gesture. Stretch out your arms to your sides and spin around like you have rings too. Saturn's rings are truly spectacular. Scientists believe that the rings may be leftover pieces of comets, asteroids, or even shattered moons. How cool is that? Now hold on to your helmets because we're heading to a planet that's tipped on its side. Uranus. Uranus, the sideways spinner. Get ready to tilt your head because Uranus spins on its side like a giant rolling ball. Scientists believe that a long time ago, Uranus got into a cosmic crash with something big and got knocked over. Let's do a Uranus. Stand up and try to spin around with your head tilted to the side. Whoa, that's tricky. Uranus is an ice giant and it's so far away from the sun that it's incredibly cold and icy. Our last stop is the windiest planet in our solar system, Neptune. Neptune, the windy blue giant. Hold on to your hats because Neptune is one wild and windy place. It has supersonic winds that whip around the planet at super speeds. That's even faster than a rocket ship. Let's do a Neptune. Make a whooshing sound and wave your arms around like you're being blown by Neptune's strong winds. Neptune is a beautiful blue color, and it's so far away from the sun that it takes almost 165 Earth years for it to orbit the sun once. We've learned so much about our incredible solar system. Keep exploring, future astronauts. Wow, space cadets, we've traveled to all 8 planets in our solar system. We've seen scorching stars, massive gas giants, and even a planet with rings. But our exploration doesn't stop there. There's still so much to learn about space, and you can be a part of the adventure. Keep asking questions, keep learning, and never stop exploring. Remember, space cadets, the sky's the limit when there are footprints on the moon. Keep reaching for the stars. And before you blast off, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. See you next time, space explorers.